Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start with measured ingredients: 1 cup cold brew coffee concentrate, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, and 1/2 cup whole milk. Add 2 tablespoons granulated sugar and 1/2 cup ice to control sweetness and texture. Use a 1.5-liter blender so ingredients move freely and you avoid overheating. Target a final yield of 1 16-ounce milkshake. Adjust with extra ice or milk in 1-ounce increments. Keep a chilled 16 Oz glass ready to maintain temperature when serving immediately. Place the measured ingredients into the blender and pulse 3 times to break up ice and soften ice cream edges. Blend at medium speed for 20 seconds to combine while preserving thickness. Stop and scrape down the sides once, then blend for an additional 5 seconds to remove remaining lumps and create a silky mouthfeel. Do not overblend. Overworking will heat the mixture and make it runny. Always use cold brew or fridge-cold coffee so the shake stays thick and does not separate. Pour the milkshake into the chilled 16 Oz glass and top with 2 tablespoons whipped cream plus a light dusting of cocoa powder or instant coffee for aroma. For a stronger caffeine kick, swap 1/4 cup espresso for part of the 1 cup cold brew concentrate. Reduce milk by 1 ounce to keep thickness. For a vegan variation, use coconut ice cream and almond milk, keeping the ratios identical. Leftovers can be kept in a sealed jar in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Stir and add ice before reserving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.